try to make this a little shorter video for the kids at home. Welcome again to the smallest division of Great Lakes Kiteboarding. Of course, I said that without their permission or consent. But we're at Breast Bay, out in the water, playing out some wind. Alright, good times. So, key phrase, I get paid, I have to say, kiteboarding. Oh. Malfunction. Alright, I'm gonna slip this on. Make this a short video, hopefully. Uh-oh. Alright, I'm gonna kill myself. I need to stop doing this. Here we go. Key phrase. Kiteboard. Alright. This is the area where the wind thermals a little bit. See ya, no caps, but I got wind. What I have here, see kind of a little bump. Oh, there's one. Whoa! Yeah, I didn't think I was going to land that either. Look at that one. See if that looks like. Well, get a little speed up to try that. There we go. Get a little speed. Get a little speed on. Get a speed on, looking for a bump. Get a bump. No good. Alright, here we go. A little disappointing. That's what she said. Oh, here we go. Get a little wind here. A little wind here. Oh. Alright. I can look down. I wouldn't get so shoot my pants from doing that. Oh! That's what that looks like. Alright. And we're done. This is my version of surfing. Nice shoe. Alright. Keep bringing kiteboard. So I'm signing off for a moment. Hope you enjoyed the short. Do short.